Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie. I'm in the craft room with, yes, the SCT Sampler. I'm so excited. This is my second month of receiving this. Last month's was awesomely wonderful. Check our videos to see the original one so you could see what you get. We're going to open this one today. I've opened the flap, but I haven't actually looked at it, so I'm really excited. Just some details about this SCT sampler. It's not a kit per se. Instead, it's a sampler pack, so you get partial packs of different product that's out there in the market, which is a really great way to try some different things. Just so you have some logistical information, you need to go to scrapbookandcards.com. I just have it pulled up here on my phone. When you click on the go to, I don't know if you can see this, go to, and then scroll down until you see kits, and then it says SCT Sampler. You click on that. There's a little video that kind of talks about what the kit's all about, or the sampler is all about. Just understand that there is kind of a pre-order period, it looks like, with this. So like I pre-ordered my subscription back in November, and I actually pre-ordered for the entire year. But you have the option to pre-order, I think, three months, 6 months, or a year out. But they do have periods of time when the pre-order period is open. And right now, from what I can tell, is the next pre-order period isn't available yet. So you had to, it says here, to start your SCT sampler in March, be sure to place your order during the next order period from January 15th to 25th. Orders placed during this order period will start with the March sampler. So they don't have the next period of time open yet. So what you can do is, there is a link on here. Let me see if I can find it. Oh yeah, here it is. So if you just scroll down a little bit farther, it says, to be advised when the next SCT Sampler pre-order period is open, be sure to sign up for our newsletter. So if this is something that you're interested in, and I hope this month's is as good as last month's, and you will be interested, sign up for the newsletter so you know when that's available. As I mentioned before, they do have 3 different subscriptions options. So 12-month is $12 per month. 6 is $13.50 per month, and 3 is $15. Okay, I'm just trying to think. I think that's it. Sorry, that's not right. I think shipping's included, so it's 12 months, $12 total. So anyways, let's get looking at what goodies we got this month, or what goodies I got this month. Now realize everybody's sampler pack is going to look slightly different because, like I said, they're taking packages, like for instance an ephemera pack, and they're splitting it multiple ways. So everything you see here is not what you may get exactly. So you'll have similar items, but they may not be the exact individual items. So it comes in a Ziploc bag. Keep it all nice and good together. And let's see what we got. Okay, so this came last month too, so this seems to be pretty standard. There is a card. It says, we love you a lot. It's like a little but a lot. And I don't know what last month was. I can't remember the exact word. Hello beautiful, maybe. You can use this to make cards, right? How cute would this be to send as a group card to someone? So, you know, find creative ways to use the card. The back side talks about what's in the kit, and I will just quickly go through that. So it looks like from One Canoe to the Twilight collection. Oh, I love that collection. I don't have any of it, but it's really, really pretty. You're going to get Peony pattern paper, Blooms pattern paper, Flight of Moths pattern paper, Fireflies pattern paper, garden tiles, gold foil ephemera, wood veneer shape. So we get a good sampling of the Twilight collection, so that's exciting. From American Crafts, Dear Lizzie, Stay Colorful Vellum, From Close to My Heart, which is a stamp company that does like home sales kind of thing. Similar to like Stampin' Up! If you're familiar with them. Delicate Flower Essentials and a dot embossing folder. That's cool. From Doodlebug Design, So Punny Collection, we're going to get pattern paper, I'm Daisy for You, Plaid About You, Soy Happy, Odds and Ends, and it says cutest ever. You also get mini enamel hearts, heart paper clip, gold vellum sprinkles, vellum, swimming pool dot grid paper, ladybug, daisy stripe paper. That's cool. From Scrapbook Adhesives, you get 3D foam squares, and it says an exclusive acrylic word love from Freckled Fawn and SCT. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's have a peek. So here is a wood veneer, which is probably from the One Canoe 2 Twilight Collection. It says, what does it say? Joy, I think. I think that's a Y. You know what? I'm not sure. Maybe it broke. Let's see. It says love. This one says love. Is that joy? I'm not sure. I am not sure. I might have to look that one up. So we've got some wood veneer. We've got this cute little floral. Another floral. Okay. We've got some gold foil ephemera here. So it looks like just this one piece, which in this case looks like a light bug. That's cute. This is Never Say Never, and it is a tag. What else? We've got a moth, a banner, a floral. I love the gray blue, that blue gray. The word love. You're a peach. This looks like just a grid paper thing, and then it says let your light shine bright. So I think that's all from the One Canoe 2 ephemera collection. Then from Close to My Heart, we've got the Delicate Flowers. It's a little stamp set. How cute is that? You can see. That's super cute. We've got some enamel hearts. These are the mini enamel hearts from Doodlebug. This is the embossing folder from Close to My Heart. It's a good size. So that's really cool. What else do we got here? We got some Doodlebug little shapes. So I'm guessing that's a pea pod maybe. And a little jelly mold, and then a can of soda. And there's this little heart paper clip. Let's see if I can throw that on something so you can see it a little better. Just like that. How cute is that? I think that's from the Doodlebug as well. Here is the acrylic from Freckled Fawn, and says love yet again. Can you tell that we are in February? Very much the theme. Here are the enamel, not enamel, foam squares from 3L, Scrapbook Adhesive. Oh, there's another little heart. And then here's the paper. So remember, we're getting paper from both Doodlebug and from One Canoe 2. So I would say this is a Doodlebug paper. The other side is the blue, and a grid, sprinkle dots, and a plaid, some hearts, tone on tone, and then looks like Asian takeout. That's cute. This is a vellum, gold vellum sprinkles. I think that's what this is. That's really pretty. So these are 6x6 paper. Yeah. Here's another piece of vellum. Who is this one by? Maybe Dear Lizzie, I think. Maybe Stay Colorful. That's really pretty. You could color this with markers too if you wanted to add a little bit of color to it. And that's very pretty. This is from the One Canoe 2 Twilight Collection. So we've got these red florals, a stripe, another floral, a blue, gray, black, I guess, maybe a bit black, gray. We'll go with gray with crosses on it. Some moths, you could easily trim these out if you wanted to add them as embellishments. And then this is more tone on tone background. Here's those lightning bugs, glowworms. What are they called? Lightning. I can't remember what they're called. You know what I'm talking about. And then a khaki or a light gray. You can tell I'm no good with color. Dot. There's a plaid. On the other side is more of that floral. How pretty is that? And then this is just a textured peachy color, and then the other side has this leaf motif. So that is the entire sampler kit. So again, I have the annual subscription, so I'm paying $12 for all of this. How exciting is that? I can't wait to play with it. Anyways, if you are interested in seeing more of these unboxing, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you've received the sampler kit and what you got different. We'd like to hear. And until next time, happy crafting.